area Teresa look now they welcome for football in after match talk am how you see them. Manchester United 2 and Manchester City 1. And we get Oga Fred, they'll be like saying a Man City fan. Oga Fred, now how you see your team performance? Your team first score, I know say your expectation go there high, you go your hope don't go up, say let's say one get 3 points today. But how you can see your team performance at the end of the day?
Well, when my team Man City first score, I could just check the table. I could say we don't reduce the difference. Yes, between Arsenal and we to 2 points. But when Man U got pick up, the thing shocked me. It shocked me well, not be small. But well, now we be Man City, but I still know say we will come back.
I must still vote his last time.
Yes, that one I'm sure.
So to you now, maybe people never write on our offer.
No, you don't know what happened last season. Yes, I believe say I need to make us feel enter top of the table. No, you don't finish.
So I want to ask you now. So you now, no cause for alarm. Make anybody not believe say anything they wrong with Man City because like waiting the last person where I interview talk say it don't say when Man City lose 2 games back to back. When I lose for Carabao Cup to Southampton, when I can't lose today against Manchester United for the Manchester derby. So to you now, nothing spoiled.
No. As far we still get Guardiola for there, you know say now Guardiola be one of the best coach for the world. In fact, I be the best coach for the world. So as far Guardiola still there, so no cause for alarm. We believe everywhere good. We believe him.
So I want to ask you about Erling Haaland now. You know, say the expectation, what people they expect of Haaland always they high. We see the number of goals where he does score for a very small number of matches. Now, what do you think say they happen to Erling Haaland for a last game? Now drop off form, I've been waiting.
Well, what I see be say, you know, say during the World Cup, Norway not go World Cup. So I believe say lack of game time. You know, lack of game time, and it be like say the guy say add a little bit to it, maybe enjoyment, flexing, you know, all those kind of things. I believe say now they are better, but with time, before you go play up to 3 to 4 matches, I know say you go hit the form back and everywhere go good for Man City.
So I want to also make I ask you about the transfer window now. Where do you see your team they play this season so far? We know so when I see them for Champions League, Premier League when I there for inside, FA Cup when I see them, but I don't come up about Carabao Cup. You think say Manchester City need any player to come in for inside this January transfer window?
No. According to Guardiola say he trusts the team. And as Guardiola talk like that, so I believe say the team they okay. Now just one of these things for football. Now you're not gonna win every match, but I know say with time, the gap between win and who they top, not be saying have 15 points, now just small points. So there is no cause for alarm, nothing spoiled.
So as a Man City fan, Oga Fred, what do you expect from your team by the end of the season?
I still believe say we will retain the title. The Premiership title now with #1 priority. Like Guardiola talk, he say to win Premier League, even they difficult more than Champions League because Premier League now wait till they play steady. But Champions League be like now you knock out something. That one you they need a little bit of luck. But for Premier League, you need to be consistent. So and you know the Man City now one of the consistent teams. So I believe say if we feel win 1-2 games, we carry our consistent winning run. We don't finish with that.
So also, you know, say you get this talk where they talk about Pep Guardiola and the work when they do for Manchester City. Some people say now until you win Champions League first, now they go say, Baba, you don't win, you don't do everything. You understand? But personally, I dey cut cap for the Oga because what thing they do. To me, I believe say the man don't come in dominate this league. You understand? You won't even make the league turn to one man horse race. Only them before, if no believe Liverpool, wake on the letter and they know say, Baba, we still there too. We still there. To you think say people suppose they judge the work when Pep they do for Man City based on that Champions League where he never fit win?
Well, to me, they're not supposed to rate Guardiola based on say he never win Champions League because Champions League when they so sometimes not be the best coach now the winner. Like what I tell you before, for Champions League you need a little bit of luck. You understand? But as far as this Premier League is concerned, he don't dominate league, and we know say that Premier League is the best league for the world right now. So any coach when he dominate league for how many years? So which other proof you need again? Now the guy be #1. You see say since when he concept he retired most of the top managers for England, yeah they are Wenger, all of them run. But with the help of Guardiola, he collect the glory enter the blow-off of Manchester. So now we know say the glory of Manchester now the blow-off dey. Unlike before where we say everybody know say na Red Devils, Red Devils. So we suppose give Guardiola credit for the work. The guy don't try. Even though say he retire like this sef, I believe say in the next how many years to see coach like that go dey hard.
So what of the Champions League this season? You dey confident as a City fan so una go fit win am?
Well, for Champions League, like wetin Guardiola talk, he say Champions League na one of his priority, but that one not mean say if he not come win the Champions League, say he work don spoil. But when we take am game by game now, I believe say we still get the right squad. Especially this Haaland one we call sign this season, he call boost the attack because he keep like na wetin Man City dey lack before. That's a finisher. But with the help of Haaland, I believe say we dey 95% there to win the Champions League.
All right, now, Oga Fred, thank you. My country people, now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.